We can love this world because it is God's, and it will be healed, becoming at last what God intended from the beginning. You know, John said, do not love the world or the things of the world. He wasn't talking about the ground. He wasn't talking about planet Earth. He was talking about the world system. Don't love the world system that is opposed to God. But we can love this world because one day God is going to restore this world to the way it was in Eden, to its Edenic state. And we are made to dwell here forever and ever.